Have you ever wondered if you could start your own profitable online business while someone just walks you through it step by step? If you actually ask yourself that question, you'll certainly enjoy this video today. So hi folks, this is Perry from the Hampton Network, back again with another video. And as you know on this channel, we talk about, how to start profitable online businesses. We talk about internet marketing, digital marketing. We talk about cryptocurrency, uh, content creation, product creation, and other things. But today I want to go over a quick review of the Partner with Anthony program. I've actually been with Partner with Anthony for a few weeks now, in addition to the other things that I'm doing. But I wanted to kind of show you, how easy this is to actually get started. And it's actually very affordable for the beginner, or even if you're, pretty an experienced marketer such as myself, you can certainly use this as a refresher and go through it, and you'll see that Anthony Morrison definitely knows exactly what he's talking about, and how to start these businesses and actually walk you through step by step. So what I kind of want to do is kind of show you the the back office here, and just do a quick review. This video will probably only be, I don't know, maybe 5 to 8 minutes or so. So when you first log in, you'll come to this screen here. It just kind of shows you the courses that you have, the available courses, software that you have, and software that's available. And this shows you how to connect on social media. Well, what I want to do is, let me go here. And this is what you're going to see when if you decide to join the program. This is the welcome, the enrollment video. You will see this right here. You'll, see Anthony Morrison right here. He's going to walk you through everything step by step with this program, and he's definitely a multi-millionaire. He knows exactly what he's doing. And right now, as you can see, the special offer, only $7 a month. But I certainly don't want to undervalue this. This is extremely more valuable than $7 a month. But $7 a month will get you started. There's other you have access to a bunch of other trainings and other software once you actually get in. But just so we're clear here, to start, it's only $7 a month with Partner with Anthony. You certainly, you definitely cannot beat this program here. So I'm actually excited to do this review. So let's kind of go here real quick to the, the each module. There's actually 30 modules that you have to go through. And what happens is, another thing I like about this is when you complete a module, the next module is not going to be available until 24 hours later. So that gives you time to either rewatch the video or implement and kind of think about what you just learned. So as you can see, I'm actually on, well, you can't see it, but I'm actually on session 14. I've completed all the other sessions, but I'll have to tell you this. I actually started and generated sales after session, I think it was 8 or 9, by using this program. So it definitely works. So as you can see, let me just go ahead to session 1, just to kind of give you just a flavor of what it is. You can, it gives you the welcome, the tour your commission accounts. Then the session 1 through 3 is more, getting the mindset, getting the principles down, showing you exactly how the program works. But you actually really start building right at about session 4 is when you actually start to build things. So he talks about the ecosystem here, gives you a quick recap, then move on to session 5. So basically, like I said, by the time after session 8 or 9, I had actually already set up the business, sent some traffic to it, and already generated sales by session 8 or 9. But like I said, there are 30 sessions. Now, results are not typical. I was able to generate sales after session 9 because I'm not a beginner. For you, because if you're a beginner, it may take you, to session 10 or 11, maybe session 12, 13, maybe even 14, before you'll possibly generate sales. But I just have to say I'm actually very impressed with this program, and I would certainly recommend it to everyone. Like I said, whether you are a beginner, whether you already have a business, there's always something to learn. And I tell you, I'm very impressed with Anthony Morrison. And another thing, here's the key feature, I think. He has every Thursday, it's a live training called Success Connection. So he is there every Thursday live with you building our new businesses every single Thursday. I was so surprised and impressed. I was actually on a live webinar with them on Thanksgiving Day and evening. They started at like 9 o'clock in the evenings, and he was there on Thanksgiving. He had actually brought in, one of his partners that actually, showed, the students how to, do Facebook ads. I mean, step by step. And this was on Thanksgiving. So just think about that, the commitment and the dedication of Anthony Morrison. So I certainly can't speak highly enough about this program. I absolutely love it. I'm going to continue on with this and also a bunch of other things that I'm doing. But if you want to know more information about it, I'm going to go ahead and put the link down in the description. I would certainly highly recommend that you certainly get started with this program. You certainly will not regret it. It's such a wonderful program, and I certainly recommend it to everyone who wants to, start and build a, profitable business, profitable online business. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, and like I said, just share the video, and make sure you click the notification bell if you want to be notified of future videos. So with that, I'll close this video out. I want to thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a great evening.